Welcome everybody. Today we're using the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to be making a hamburger, cheeseburger and fries. I purchased the hamburgers already pre-made as well as frozen French fries. This is going to be super quick, easy, so come on over and let's get started. Show you what we have here. We just have a pre-made hamburger, as you can tell. I am using these extra crispy fast food fries. These French fries are phenomenal. Really, really delicious. And they cook up so quick. A piece of American cheese and a burger bun. Make sure your roasting pan is in. Today, because I'm making French fries and the hamburger at the same time, we are using the air fry basket. Go ahead and lower your lid. To get this started, we're going to turn our Ninja Foodi on. We're going to select Air Crisp. We're going to bring this down to 375 and hit start. Now it's in the preheat phase right now. Once that's preheated, we're going to add the burger and the fries both at the same time. Ninja Foodi Grill is ready. It's saying add food. Raise the top. Going to take that burger, place it right in there. Going to take some of these fries and do that. Close the lid. Check on this hamburger and fries. Everything is looking great. Fries are coming along nicely. Let's do a quick temp on that hamburger. It says it's 133, 137. We're gonna cook it a few more minutes. Let's flip this burger. We're going to take a piece of cheese, put it right on top of the burger. I'm going to take that bun. I'm just going to put the bun right on top of the fries. Time for that taste test. 12-minute burger and fries. If you want your burger more done than that, you would add your burger first, then add your fries like 3 to 4 minutes in. But these, it's amazing. Look, these fries are so good. Look at this burger. It's just a simple burger. I mean, I do have lettuce. I didn't have any tomato. And I do have onion, but you know something? I just wanted something quick. And this was quick. 12 minutes, boom, done. Spectacular. Ninja Foodi Grill is spectacular. No, it truly is. Look at this. This is the way I like my burger. Like I said, cook it longer if you want to. Taste test time. So good. Burger and fries are good anytime. So quick. Only 2 things to wash. Well, 3 plus a splatter guard. But make this. Delicious. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Talking with my mouth full. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notifications button so you don't miss any of my videos. And also join us on the Facebook group page, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and make your burger and fries delicious.